Hey class, this week we are going to be learning all about our plates in our families. As you've grown and gotten older, maybe your responsibilities have changed in your family. Maybe the things that you can do with your family have changed. I want you to be thinking about how it's changed. So I'm thinking back to when my kiddos were little. When my kiddos were little, they did a lot of watching or a lot of just being by my side or helping me do things, like especially when it came to cooking or baking. But now my daughter, who's a little bit older than you, she is actually cooking some of her own things that she likes to eat now. When it comes to things that we love to do, like fishing, it used to be that my kids, they could not hold their own fishing poles, and we had to hold their poles for them and help them reel in. But now they can catch a fish all by themselves. So what are some things that you do with your family that you couldn't do when you were younger? Because you are all growing up.